Welcome to your midday sports. We begin with cricket. Co-host West Indies went down by 8 wickets to England in their first match of the Super 8 phase of the ICC T20 World Cup at the Darren Sammy Stadium in St. Lucia on Wednesday night. Sent to bat, the West Indies posted 180 for 4 of their 20 overs. Johnson Charles top scored with 38, including 4 fours and a 6, while Captain Rovman Powell and Nicholas Puran each made 36. Shafeen Rutherford weighed in with an unbeaten 28. In reply, England made 181 for 2 of 17.3 overs to achieve a victory. Phil Salt top scored with 87 not out of 47 balls with 7 fours and 5 sixes. He shared in a 97-run unbroken third wicket partnership with Johnny Bairstow, who made an undefeated 48. Captain Joss Butler also made 25. Jamaica's Andre Russell and Ruston Chase took a wicket each.
The team that played today is our better team to face England, and it just didn't work out tonight. I think our destiny is still in our own hands. It's just for us to continue to play good cricket, and once we do that, we think we'll be okay.
The West Indies will next face the United States on Friday at the Kensington Oval in Barbados. Reigning champions Argentina will kickstart the defense of their Copa America title when they take on Canada in a Group A encounter at the Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta, Georgia this evening at 7 Jamaica time. Argentina are also the reigning world champions and have only one defeat in their 14 matches since lifting a third World Cup title in Qatar in 2022. The Canadians are one of 5 CONCACAF teams in the tournament, but have been stuttering recently with 2 wins in 6 matches. The Reggae Boys bow into action against Mexico on Saturday in Houston at 8 p.m. Jamaica time. In a release a short while ago, the Jamaica Judo Association said it has taken note of Dr. Emir Crown's recent assertions on multiple media platforms, alleging that the JGA acted irresponsibly by disclosing his client, Ebony Drysdale Daly's whereabouts failures. The JGA said these allegations overlook the fact that the information in question was already in the public domain, having been posted on social media by Drysdale Daly herself when she shared screenshots of private emails between her and the JGA. The JGA said its statement merely responded to its widely circulated video by Drysdale Daly and various social media posts it was tagged in. The JGA said, given that the athlete had already initiated the discussion publicly, its actions cannot be deemed a breach of confidentiality. Additionally, the release said the JGA takes responsibility to uphold confidentiality seriously and understand the concerns raised by Dr. Crown. However, it pointed out that it's important to note that the information in question was already in the public arena, prompted by Drysdale Daly's own disclosures. The governing body outlined that there was no intention to initiate a smear campaign, but to clarify information already in the public domain. Finally, Jody Munn-Barrow, the first woman to become president of the Jamaica Golf Association, has been returned unopposed for her second consecutive term of office. Munn-Barrow had no challenger for the top position at the JGA when the organization hosted its election recently at the Constant Spring Golf Club in St. Andrew. She was nominated by the immediate past president, Peter Chin. Vice President Dr. Mark Newnham was also returned unopposed after being nominated by Robert Chin. The other elected members of the committee are William Brown, Treasurer, Fred Sutherland, Honorary Secretary, Alison Reed, Junior Golf Chairperson, Rowena Coe, Ladies Representative, along with committee members Dave Lynn, Vikram Diamond, Robert Chin, Teddy Alexander, and former President of Cricket West Indies, Dave Cameron. Alexander and Cameron will be serving on the JGA executive for the first time. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.